Euro yen, we did the short up there and the bearish engulfing, hitting all the targets, beautiful. So that trade is definitely closed out. So beautiful profit to everyone that took that trade last week. And now we're going to wait for the retracement. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It is Wednesday, 24 July 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the yen, the Swiss and the pound, and short on the CAD, the Aussie and the New Zealand. Let's start with the dollar index, finding resistance now at my medium-term trend line here. And this is now the coup de grace. Is it going to cut through to test the next moving average, or is it going to reverse from here? So within the next day or two, I think we'll get clear-cut direction. Everything's still bearish here on the short term, medium term and long term. However, my intraday indicator starts to push more bullish than bearish, but still neutral. So very difficult to find direction on the intraday stuff. But on the larger time frames, definitely we're still looking at dollar bearish. Then gold retracing nicely and bouncing off nicely last night and yesterday, but not convincing. The candle reversals there was not convincing to me to say, all right, we're going to fly up the page. And on a strengthening dollar, that would negate the bullishness of gold. So for now, I'm not doing that much. I'm stepping aside a little bit here and wait for better confirmations. Bitcoin sell off heavy yesterday, back to the $66,000 levels, which we could have expected. We did find support there for 3 days. So I think this is the area now. If the bears can push it right through, I think then we're a little bit in trouble again. But let's see if the bulls can prove themselves on a big attack on the $66,000 levels. Let's see how they respond. If they can make like something like a small candle here and like a strong move up the page, I think then I will say, all right, we got confirmation. Now I still need the bulls. The bulls did very well. I mean, they haven't seen an attack from the bears. So now that they get a serious attack from the bears, let's see what happens here. If it's strong reversal, I think then we're in for a nice ride. But I believe by Friday we should know, or let's say by Monday, we should know what's going to happen. Definitely, any breakout above that will be a big accumulations signal for me. Other than that, I'll look for small reversals here. Trend has turned bullish. So we got this double bear trend out of the way. Now turning bullish. In all odds, we should see a breakout up the page. I would say the odds that it will come down is about 30 to 40%. And I think we've got about a 60 to 70% odds that it will break up the page. Euro yen, we did the short up there and the bearish engulfing, hitting all the targets, beautiful. So that trade is definitely closed out. So beautiful profit to everyone that took that trade last week. And now we're going to wait for the retracement. 61% level between 50 and 60, right the structure there. This is the area. So now that we've got all the targets hit, retracement back to that area. Looking for a counter reversal. Euro neutral, but yen very strong. And I was very negative towards the strong yen, but all my yen strong trades actually worked out very, very, very well for me. So not complaining. And retracement, I'll get interested. CAD yen, same scenario. We shorted the bearish engulfing up there. We trailed the stop loss, hitting 1.27, 1.61 at FIB levels. So all these trades have been closed out now. Looking really, really great. And now we're looking for the retracement again. Between 50 and 61%, structure coming in there. You see CAD red zone, yen green zone. That's definitely what I want to be short in. So retracement back to structure, counter reversal. I'll then attempt another short setup. Pound yen, also we shorted the bearish engulfing up there. Very nice entries. Hitting targets 1.27, 1.618 on the FIBs, actually gone beyond. So this trade also profitable, also a yen long, and stunning targets being hit. Congratulations on that. And then also for today, this big swing, the retracement back to the 50-61% level, right the structure there. Yes, that's what I will look for shorts. If we look at pound yen, yes, they're both green zone, but pound relative to yen is weaker. So I would like to be short here. That means I'll be short pound and long yen. Although this is not my favorite type of setup when they're in the same color zone, but still it is a valid setup. So retracement back to the 50-61%, right the structure there. That'll get me to look for some shorts. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI. a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Euro Swiss, Euro neutral, Swiss green zone. I would love to see a retracement back to the 50-61% level. Right the structure there. That'll get me to look for some shorts on candle reversals. And then the US Swiss. US Swiss now reversed slightly off the level. Yesterday, I showed you this level. We got almost a morning star there, a evening star there, and I thought, no, not really. And then again, we got a white candle and sort of a dark cloud cover. The white candle size is a little bit on the smallish side for me. So I'll take the trade, but very, very cautiously small. That's basically what it is. It's not a big trade for me. It's not something that I really would punt very hard. If you look at the relative strength, US neutral, but Swiss very strong. And this is the only place I can really find a Swiss long by shorting the US Swiss. So I'm going to take a cautious short with a tight stop loss. So the stop loss on this one will be roughly about 25 to 30 pips. And then if it comes down, I can make a decent profit. So I don't have to take a big risk here. But that's just something, a little dark cloud cover there, which is a bit iffish. I'll be a bit cautious on this one. Then the US CAD running up the page very nicely. Dollar, definitely neutral, but CAD red zone. I want to be short CAD. Going long here will give me that short on the CAD. So this last directional swing, retracement back to the 50% level, right the structure there. That's the area I'm going to look for. Once I see a retest and a nice candle reversal, I'll then take some long setups. Then on the FTSE forming this big triangle, big support level coming in here. On my mentoring group, we're already short from up there. So we're looking good there, but that was a divergence short. Now we are testing this level. Now this pattern has got a 60 to 70% chance that it will break. Falling tops, flat bottom, that means that the bulls cannot push it up to the recent highs. However, the bears are pushing it down to the recent lows. It shows that the bears are more in control and we got a higher probability of a breakout. So breakout here, a break, a retest, candle reversals, that's what I'm after. Target wise would be this distance from there to there, added to the breakout from there to there. So target would be 79.25. That's the area. You can even go as low as 79 because you can see here big support levels coming here. So I'm very keen on this. The fact that my mentoring group is already short, we can just push this even further. But if you're not short, definitely a break, a retest, candle reversal. That's the kind of setup I'm looking for. We've got a pound which is fighting with a dollar. The pound and the dollar flips around, but on a strong pound or strongish pound, let's call it that, this should be stock market bearish. But the pound is fighting with the dollar there, which is not always a nice sign. You can see here now they flipped around again. So pound, a strong pound would be a FTSE bearish, and that's what I'm after at this stage. You can see how they flush up and down, up and down. Right, but doesn't matter. It stays bearish. It goes a little bit neutral here, and then bullish, and then neutral, and then bullish, which is bearish on the FTSE. Let's see if this can play out. In the US yen, also got some nice trades on my trading robot here, but all right, retracement back to the 50-61% level, right the structure there. Dollar, well, green neutral, but yen is the one I'm after at this stage, and along on the yen will give me a short in the US yen. So I'll be watching this area for some short setups on nice candle reversals. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.